Welcome to my channel. My name is VassaOlga, and I feel so dumb because I am dumb. I scolded myself a couple of weeks ago for deleting the footage, and today I deleted the footage one more time. What a good girl. Okay, I have to refilm it. I have to do this a little bit in a different way, but thank God I completely forgot about some of the products that I really wanted to share in the previous video that I filmed and deleted. So I'm doing this right now. Let's talk about MAC primers. These are nice primers. I do not take my words on that. I mean, I'm talking about like MAC review that I did a couple of weeks ago, and these are nice primers. I can't say these are the only primers that you should use. That is a nice primer, but you shouldn't probably pay that much money. I want to devote real quick just like some small story line, let's say, about my MAC Bullet lipstick. This is a lipstick that my husband purchased years ago. It's super expired. My husband paid his own money for this lipstick, asked for all of this makeup, and he purchased it in a store. It wasn't expired back then, and I was obsessing over Miley Cyrus music video. I would try to find that and put it somewhere in my video, and she had this most beautiful color, like baby pink MAC lipstick, limited edition if I'm not mistaken, and I was talking about this nonstop, and he wanted to surprise me. He went to this MAC store and he showed the picture, he showed the whole thing, and this assistant, she actually gave this color that I'm wearing right now over my lips. This is the lipstick that I've been having for ages, and this is how much I still have of it because I don't really use it. I wasn't mad at my husband, back then boyfriend. I was mad that this woman actually knew that he did not know anything about makeup, and she just gave him some weird lipstick that has no resemblance to the original packaging, original lipstick. Original lipstick, let's say, was matte. This is glossy, and the original had baby pink color, and this is more like purple, I guess. So enough talking about MAC, let's move on. I'm talking about Huda Beauty eyeshadows. Obsessed with this eyeshadows. I can't have anything bad to say about this eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, especially this liner. I guess this is probably one of the products among all of the unboxing products that I did a month ago. This is the best product, I guess, because I can literally recommend this. I love the pigmentation. I love that it stays over your lids. It's not creasing. I love that it has the second side with liner. I love this liner. It's super pretty. It's super easy to move this liner. Obsessed with this product. As for this Makeup Forever liner, I love the product. It's super pretty. It's looking great, you can see, but I use a little bit different brush from a little bit different liner to apply this over my lids, just because it's impossible to do this with the applicator they have. So it's not something that I would recommend. It's really nice product, but you can purchase Catrice drugstore product, and it's going to be as good as this one. This is Guerlain. I did another review on this brow product. I really love it. I guess it's really handy to use, but should you spend that much money on that? I don't really think so. So all of these products except for Huda Beauty that I've just showed you, they're just not worth the hype. They're not worth money, because you have so many different drugstore options, as well as this Givenchy liner. This is a silver liner, and it's beautiful, it's pretty, but you can go for a NYX option and some Vivienne Saba or some other options on the market, affordable. Like, it's no difference from a drugstore product. And I'm obsessed with this Dior white liner. It's really good. It's so easy to apply. It's so easy to draw a line, but it's not worth the hype as well. I had a NYX product as good as this one. So yeah, but right now I want to devote some special time to a lipstick collection that I have right beside me, because I'm going to be talking about Givenchy lipstick. I feel bad for people who pay their own money. I paid my own money, but I paid like $4 only just because it's expired. But I really feel bad for people who paid full price for this lipstick. First of all, this is the cheapest plastic you can get, but it's not about that. Of course, I know that with a luxury product, you get some packaging, extraordinary, super pretty. That's why you're paying for the packaging, you're paying for the brand, and now you're paying for some good quality products inside the packaging. But unfortunately, I don't really think so. It's not the case. It's not the quality. It's mainly the brand name. And when I applied this lipstick, it feels like lip balm, but a lipstick at the same time. This is the worst lipstick I've had in a while, and let me tell you, the problem is, I can see this on the screen, that when you use this on top of your lips in 20 or 30 minutes, it starts, maybe even immediately, I don't know. I've noticed this only in 30 minutes when I apply this lipstick. We were going from one place to another, and he told me, like, you have something weird with your lipstick. I said, no, it's a Givenchy. I can have anything wrong with the Givenchy lipstick. And he said, okay, you are gonna test this with a mirror and then we'll talk. And we talked, and I said, oh my god, what a shitty product. Just because this leaves a lot of You know, it's just literally showing my lips. It's not covering the lips. It can cover your lips fully, and then when you start moving your lips like this, it's just everywhere. It's spreading and it's living. It's just your lips are naked. They're bare. You have some color right there, and a lot of color is gone, and it's more like sort of creasing for the lips, I guess. It's really cheap quality, I'd say, or at least formula product, and you shouldn't pay for that. Especially I want to talk about this lip gloss from Givenchy. I really love it, this black. I don't really have another option on the market. I really was searching for an Essence option, black lipstick Essence, but unfortunately, not lipstick, lip gloss, but unfortunately I couldn't find this in my stores. That's why I had to purchase this one. It's expired as well. I purchased this from a little bit different place, and this is really pretty. This is the glossiest gloss. I love it. It's very beautiful. It's chic. The fragrance and smell is weird. I hate like when it's too fragrancy, but I'll tell you, in a couple of maybe hours it turns pink or red, so it's not black anymore, and it turns sort of like reddish and pinkish. I don't really like it, but it's something that I have, and I don't really have other options. And then I'm going to talk about Makeup Forever. This is a lipstick that is sort of pretty, but it's transferring. It's like the formula is similar to my Makeup Revolution formulas. I can't say this is the best one in the market. The price is a little bit higher than drugstore products, and it's like when you eat, it's gone. When you drink, it's gone. When you kiss someone, it's literally gone. That is the main reason. Should you pay for that if you have Makeup Revolution option? It's not matte, it's too glossy. I hate glossy, sort of like balm type lipsticks as this Givenchy, but okay, I have it, and it's a little bit better than my Makeup Revolution. It's fair to say it's a little bit better. It's not showing my lips as bad as my Makeup Revolution product and as Givenchy lipstick, but it's still not the best results I expected from Makeup Forever brand. Then we're going to my Armani, and fair to say they have nice pigmentation. It's super pretty. I love the highlights inside. Some sort of mica, I guess. This is mica, if I'm mistaken, in this formula. I love the color. I love it super pigmented. It's super hydrating, but it is transferring. It can show a little bit of your lip when you do it like this, but nothing crazy as with the Givenchy product. And it's nice, but should you pay that much money for this? I don't know. In my unboxing video, I told you like, oh my god, I understand why people pay that much money. No, now, right now, using these products, testing them around, wearing them around, eating with these lipsticks, it's transparent. You can eat it with your food. It is super, super similar drugstore formula. And I know you would say, okay, so you're literally paying for the brand. What did you expect? I did expect a little bit better quality, I guess, especially for Givenchy. But Armani is not bad. You're literally paying for the brand name. You're literally paying for the packaging and for the brand's name. But formula is nice, similar to my drugstore formulas. And last but not least, we're going to be talking about Marc Jacobs. It has a magnet inside as my Armani lipstick, and it's really nice formula. I really love it, but it's super similar to my Sephora. It's super similar to my Rimmel London. And do you need to spend that much money on Marc Jacobs if you can go with Sephora and Rimmel London? I don't really think so. I feel like with the expiration date, I could afford it. It's really nice formula. I sound like a broken record because I know this is nice formula. It's really good. I love the package and it's pretty. I love the magnet, but at the same time, it's not extraordinary. You'll eat it with your food. It's transferring, and yeah, it's just gonna stay. It's gonna stay for quite a long period of time, I guess, over your lids, even with some dinner or lunch. But it's super similar to my drugstore dupes, let's say, my dupes. And one more product that I'm going to be talking, it's not from the haul that I purchased a month ago. It is something different. I did a review a couple of years ago, I guess, maybe a year ago or something like this. One of my colleagues, she gave it to me because she got it as a present for her birthday, and she does not use makeup at all, and she knew that I was obsessed with makeup, and she just gave it to me. And I was like, oh my god, is it Karl Lagerfeld? It's so cool because you know that Karl Lagerfeld was a designer for Chanel for some period of time, and he had some kind of label himself. So it's really cool, like brand luxury product. This is the worst lipstick you can get for the money they're asking. It's not really, so it's not at a pricier side as our Armani lipstick. It's dry formula, it's cracking, it's super uncomfortable over your lids. You're gonna eat, drink, and it's literally gonna take off your lips easily like that. So when I'm talking about, and one more product that I really want to mention in this video is Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna tell you, in my unboxing, I thought that was a lipstick just because of the color, but it is a concealer. My bad, I'm sorry guys. This is a concealer and I use it as a lipstick. I know it might sound crazy and weird, but I know a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, they do use concealer as the color. So I'm not gonna throw this away. I don't really have anyone in my family or friend circles with that deep skin tones. That is the main reason why I adapted this color to my lips, and it's looking super pretty. And I try this on. It's a little bit drying, but I put on a little bit of balm on top, and it's really nice formula. So I really want to specify this. That is not the purpose of this tube, but that is how I use my product. This is pretty much it, guys. It concludes my luxury product, let's say, total review, and I would not recommend luxury products. You're literally paying for the brand, and I heard so many influencers and so many people saying that you're paying for the name, you're paying for this beautiful packaging, but unfortunately, I can tell it for myself that most of these products, they're literally the same quality as my drugstore products. And some of these products are even worse than my drugstore products. It's insane and literally crazy. That's why I'm not really sure that I can recommend Givenchy products. I really love this lip gloss, but I can't say this is the best lip gloss. I like it just because of the color. If I had a little bit different option from a little bit different brand as Essence, but I can't find Essence black lip gloss in my city, that is the main problem, and that is the main reason why I went for this Givenchy expired sort of product. Okay guys, this is it for today. I love you all so much, and I'm gonna see you next time, hopefully. Bye bye.